Hello friends, in this video I will teach you some basic animations of Adobe After Effects that you should learn. And if you know the method of applying animations, then we can do later lots of things. So as you can see, I created one composition, and I have also imported one image here. So what I will do, I will drag and drop the image here, then I will make it like small like this. Okay, and now you can see here, if you click here, then in transform option we can find 5 options like anchor point, position, scale, rotation, opacity. These 5 options you can find almost with each and every layer. So how these work, like for example, if you want to apply position, so instead of this that you click here and click here, so you can use keyboard shortcut keys like P for position. So you can click P and you can see only position will appear. If you want to apply like anchor point, then you click A and anchor point will appear. If you want to apply like rotation, so you can use R, so it will appear rotation. Only for the opacity you will use T keyboard shortcut key, and for the scale you will use S. So PARTS, this is a parts word. So parts word you can remember for this keyboard shortcut keys of the for the basic animations. So for example, we want to apply position, so we will click P, and now you can see the position of this image object is here. So we can move from here like this, you can see, or we can also move from here, like you can see it will move now on right, see, like this. You can move the mouse like this, and this is the first thing. But before this, just a minute, let me show you. You will click on this time vary stop watch. First you will do this thing. So just click on time vary stop watch, and it will create, you can see, a small keyframe here. So now you move this current time indicator like from here to there, like I will move to 5 seconds. So we can also mention here like 5 seconds. Then we will add, you can add or remove keyframe at current time from here. So you click here. Now at this keyframe, at this point, now you change the position of this image. So it means now position will change from here to there within 1 to 5 seconds, from this keyframe to this keyframe. So if I move this current time indicator here, now if I press space on my keyboard, or you can also use this preview panel, and here you can click on the play button, and you can see the image is moving now, object is moving now to the right side from here to there. You can see like this. Okay, so if I go to now, like for example 10 seconds, and at 10 seconds will move from here like to the left side, this point. So now it will go to the top, and even like we make it like out of the composition. So you can see how first from 0 to 5 seconds it will move from here to there, then 5 to 10 seconds it will move from here to there, and it will go out of the composition. So this is the position as we can apply to the objects in our composition. So what I will do, I will remove this position effect. So just click here, and the position effect has now been removed. So if you play, nothing will move. So now we will discuss the next thing, like if you want to apply scale. So we will just click on the S, and scale will appear. So what I will do, I click here on the time vary stopwatch, then from which second, like at which second, 0.5. So now it will apply from the 0 to 5 seconds, but at the 5 seconds we will add first keyframe, Now you can see this is 51%, 51%, according to the actual size of the image. So what we will do, like we will move from here, because this is clicked, so it means like constrain proportions. Like if we change from one side, it will affect on the all sides. So you can see like this. So if I move now this playhead or current time indicator to the 0 second, then if we play the video, you can see how the scale is changing. So this is the scale we can apply. Then if I, for example, select 10 seconds, and if we, and now at the 10 second we make it like this, even we type here like 0%, so it will be now 0%. First from 0 to 5 seconds the scale will increase, then from 5 to 10 seconds you can see how it will disappear, like the object will disappear. So this is very good effect, as you can see in some videos, professional videos, you can see this effect. So this you can apply easily in your videos. That is called scale effect. So let me show you once again. So see, perfect. So now what we will do, like we will remove this effect. Just click here, so add or remove expressions. That will now remove that expression, and now it is you can see in normal position. Okay, so position we have applied and scale we have applied. Now I will show you that how we can apply a rotation effect. So rotation, just click on R, you can see rotation. So as I explained in previous two things, in position and scale, same thing like in rotation, you click and the time vary stopwatch will add a keyframe. Then on the 5 seconds, like we will move current time indicator to the 5 seconds, and we will add a keyframe from here. Now you can see this is, it shows like how much degree, like 180 degree you want to rotate, 270, 360, and this shows like how many times, like one time, 360 one time, then again 360 if you do like that is 2 times. So it shows like how many times. See, if I move this, like now it's 11, 25, 34, and it's increasing like this, and if it goes to 360, then it will show like one time. So that has been rotated, see, one time 360, see, and you can see now after 360 it's again changing from the start 1 point, and here also you can see like when it will complete 360, so that will change to the 2x. So you can see like as 360, see, it will show like this. So now see, I will leave here like this. Okay, so 2 times it will move, and 3 times, third time it will move like till here. So you can see if we move the current time indicator here and then we press space, so you can see this is 1 time, this is 2 time, and this is 3rd time till here. And if you want to change the duration, this thing also you can do in all animations. Like this keyframe, like second keyframe is at the 5 seconds, so we can move, like if I move it almost on 15 seconds, so you can see now it will rotate like slowly. So it will rotate till 15 seconds and will complete 2 times 360 degree and 3rd times almost 57 degree, as I remember. See, from here you can go to the next keyframe. So here you can see 57 degree. From here you can go to the previous keyframe if you want. So now we will also remove this rotation. So position, scale, rotation we have applied. Now the next thing we will do, opacity animation. So what I will do, first I will go to window and align, and I will align it to the center, and then we'll change it something like this. Okay, now for example, if you click on T, you can see opacity. So Opacity, like you click here and the time vary stopwatch, it will start the animation. You can see keyframe here. Then I will go to the 3 seconds and will add another keyframe here. So this time opacity you will add at the first keyframe. Like right now it's 100% at the second keyframe and also at the first keyframe here, but we will change it to 0% at the first keyframe. Now you can see when I press space or play, so the opacity will increase from 0 to 3 seconds, like slowly. You can see, and it looks very professional. See, so this how you can apply the opacity. So what I will do, I will also remove this opacity, and at this keyframe we will change it to 100% and we'll remove them. Okay, now from here you can use zoom in also, like 50%, you know, and also like 12.15 5%, as much as you want. From here you can use fit. So now the last thing is anchor point. So that is something like position, but only it changed the position of anchor point according to the anchor point. You can say, like anchor point, if you click here and if you go to the like 5 seconds, and if you now you will change from here, and you can see the difference between position and anchor point. In this anchor point will see change. See, actually position is also changing, but the anchor point also you can see it's moving down. Okay, actually the image is going on top, anchor point is still there, but you know, like anchor point is not moving. Simple. Okay, if let me show you once again the position, just a minute. Yes, here. So if you check position, see, from here to there, for example, and if I move from here, so you can see anchor point also moving. See, you got my point? So in anchor point animation, like here, from here to there, you can see, like when we move, if I move on the right side, you can, on the left side, you can see like anchor point is still there. So this is the difference between anchor point and position animation. So I hope you have learned a lot about these basic animations in this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please share my video with your friends so they can also learn new things, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much once again.